Hello, lovelies. So this is the June box from Sophie and Toffee, Elves Box. It is a subscription box that I buy myself, so this is my honest and unfiltered opinions. This is the June box, and I am pretty sure it is the wizard or magic themed box. I don't remember exactly what word they used, but it was very Harry Potter looking, but they couldn't say it was Harry Potter looking because copyright. Pretty sure that's the one we're getting though. So let's open it up and find out what they sent me this month. Doo-doo. And classic wizard. Okay, yeah, I would say that this is definitely what we're looking for. Okay, so wizarding. That is like the closest to Harry Potter I have ever seen, with it not actually being, well, anyway, okay, so exclusive items and a premium item that I'm not going to get because I don't get the premium box. And here is the list of things that are in the box, if anybody wants to see a shot of that list. And rainbow pellets. Yay, rainbow pellets! Because rainbow pellets are the best. So there are supposed to be 2 silicone wand molds in here. There are rainbow pellets all over my floor now. Knocked them down everywhere. Ah, here we go. Oh, that is much smaller than I thought it would be. But okay, so this is the classic wizard wand, which it kind of has some basic knobblies and stuff. And then this is the White Witch Star Wand, which looks like the top is unfinished, so you can add some kind of crystal thing to the top. So that's cool. I like adding crystal things to stuff. Crystal shard silicone mold. There we go. Is that in here? I think that might be in here. And yet another zippy bag. I like their zippy bags. They're just really versatile once you take the product out. And yep, that is some kind of funky crystal shape. Huh, there's a weird amount of flash on the mold that I have not seen before. Can you guys see that? Kind of at the top there. So I don't know if that's going to affect how well the mold functions or not. So I'm going to have to try that out sooner rather than later just to find out. Let's see here. Nope, that's colorant. Here we go. Another bottle of resin. Thin type resin again. I have a lot of thin type resin because I don't like working with it quite as much. Because I tend to do a lot where I mix things with toothpicks and then use the toothpick to glob things in. And the thin type resin doesn't stick to my toothpicks very well. I'll move that out of the way because, let's see here. White pearl pigment and silver black, which the card calls pearl black, so there's going to be a shimmery black, which is awesome. I'm pretty sure these are pearl pigment colors that I have not gotten in boxes before. Because the colorant, by the way, lasts forever. I have some colorants that are from like 2 years ago, and I've gone through maybe half the bottle. Now, in some cases, that's because it's a color I don't use that much. But in other cases, like my blues and my purples, I'm still on my first bottle for most of those too. So these colorants really go a long way. It's like a single drop on like 10 grams of resin. So you really don't go through it fast unless you're doing a lot of really big projects or you're super into one particular color. Rainbow shaker pen. So I think I saw this in a tutorial somewhere, and you can like fill it with oil and do the little shaker tube thing. How's the rainbow coming through in the picture? The rainbow is kind of catching on the edge there. In person it's much more rainbowy, but my lights are not convenient. Ooh, can we see it here? Oh, there we go. Now we can see it. So apparently through the plastic it'll show up on my camera. Go figure. Harry Potter House Color Glitters Mix. Never mind, we're not pretending we have nothing to do with Harry Potter. Oh, that's pretty good. So we've got yellow. There's some heart outlines there. There's some star outlines there. Some full hearts and just a variety of sizes, I think, in the blue. Yeah, that's like chunky, random chunks. So that's pretty good, other than the fact that that green is absolutely not a Slytherin green. According to the tests, I'm House Slytherin. I'm down with those colors, so I'm not going to complain about it, but you can kind of tell how into it I am. Leave a comment on the video, by the way, on what house you are and what you think of the glitter colors for your house, because I'm curious about opinions. I really love hearing what people think of the stuff for related to their house, because sometimes I'll do stuff that's kind of, house pride color combos. Let's see here. Harry Potter theme open bezel charms. So we're back in this now. And there's also going to be some Magic Circle open bezel charms, and I think they're all just mixed up. So, Magic Circle. Oh, and that doesn't have a loopy loop, so I can attach it to something else. These are super Cardcaptor Sakura looking to me. Okay, so there's the moon one, a star one, a sun one, and then a more complicated star. So those look like card captor Sakura to me, but if they actually match a different anime that I'm just not thinking of right now, let me know, because I'd love to hear that. I just like magic circle things. They look really cool. And then the scarf charm will hang that way. The cauldron, I think, is going to hang from that loop right there. It's really tempting, though, to hang it from the bubble instead. That is very definitely a golden snitch. And a flying key. I like that. I might have to see if I can get some extras of those. That's a really fun shape, and those wings will be really fun to color in. And bronze mica pigment powder. Oh, look at that color. Is that coming through okay? Oh, that is coming through very, very nicely. Awesome. That is gorgeous, and I love it. And that is the end of the list because I do not have a premium box. I'm just going to throw my little pellets back in there. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of my content as it comes out, please subscribe or follow me on my social media. All the links are down below. I also have a couple of links to Sophie and Toffee that will get you guys a discount. I think the next box is the one that they've been teasing literally for months. And it's going to be Little Twin Stars themed. I'm really excited about that because Little Twin Stars are actually my absolute favorite Sanrio characters, which is weird because I have a lot of pink and not a fan of pink, but they're still my favorite characters. So hopefully that's next month and they haven't just been taunting me endlessly on their website. So hopefully you guys will let me know what you think. And find me on my social media, on my Patreon, on Facebook. I'm being really bad at Instagram again, so I mean, you can follow me there, but you won't see much unless I improve at it. Sorry about that. And I will see you lovelies on the internet.